Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Power off or lock orientation, remove the case, and clear a flat, low-dust area. Next, wash and dry your hands so oils don't transfer. This matters. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe the screen once, then the dust sticker to lift remaining particles. Move slowly, not fast. Once done, confirm no specks remain by angling the phone under light. Set the adhesive side of the protective screen facing up and prepare any alignment tool or guide for the next step. You align precisely. Position the protector without removing backing, checking camera and edge clearance. Once aligned, peel about 1/3 to 1/2 of the backing. This prevents dust and gives control. Use the hinge method, tape one edge as a pivot so the protector lowers straight down. Lower it from the pivot, let adhesive contact the screen, then press the center to bond. After center contact, push bubbles outward toward the edges using your finger or a card wrapped in microfiber. You finish by peeling the rest of the backing and smoothing the protector toward the edges, applying firm, even pressure. Make sure to push any remaining bubbles out. Small ones often dissipate after a few hours. Let the adhesive set for 1 to 2 hours before snapping the case back on. This prevents edge lifting. If a speck is trapped, lift one corner slowly, use sticky tape to grab the particle, then reapply with the same hinge technique. If edges peel, press firmly and hold for 30 seconds to reseal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.